What's up? In this video, we're going to continue to cover dynamics. In the last video, we learned that dynamics are how hard or how soft we play. We also learned that for scratching, this applies to how slow or how fast we push the record. That means when we push or pull the record fast, the pitch is higher. When we push or pull the record slowly, the pitch is lower. Dynamics can be played with any sound that you want to use. I'm going to scratch from high to low. This is called a decrescendo. Now that we know what a decrescendo is, let's dive into an example of how it can be applied over a beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Using dynamics allows us to make our playing more interesting and helps us convey emotion. The more tools that we have at our disposal gives us the ability to be more creative. And with time and practice, this can lead to discovering our own sound. I hope this helps you out. See you soon. Peace.